Hello and a very warm welcome. Today I'm going to show you the intraday trader. Just a quick note, as I've mentioned before, we have so many tools, a massive amount of them. I can't possibly introduce every single one of them here right now, but just so you can get an insight into the kind of tools we have in our community, or more specifically, what I've personally programmed. This is precisely what you will receive whenever you become a member of the VIP community. Please feel free to reach out and direct any questions you might have to our dedicated support team. You're also more than welcome to ask anything you like within the free group as well. There are a lot of members in there who have already been part of our VIP community for many years. They consistently share their feedback and help out others and so on. That means you can also take the time to read through it there, so that you don't just receive feedback from our team, but also from real users who are actually involved with us on a daily basis. Now, what you are looking at right here on the screen is the intraday trader. The intraday trader provides you with morning, afternoon and night trades, so to speak. This means that it is always searching for potential entry points within specific time units, depending on exactly which ones you choose to activate for your own personal setup. They are very effective, specifically when you are looking at the smaller time frames. What that means is that we are generally operating within the range of M1 to M15, or to be more precise, the ideal time frame for this is usually going to be the M5 chart. So, for each currency pair, you'll receive a signal in the morning, or rather in the early morning, a signal in the forenoon, then another signal in the afternoon, and if you have the night trade active, you'll also get one during the night. I've only activated the morning and afternoon sessions here for now. This means, for example, like here in USD CAD, we are presented with an entry in the morning and another one in the afternoon. So you'll naturally have to decide for yourselves if you want to get in, which means, as you can see, the success rate here is also very, very good. We had a short position in the afternoon that would have gone through. This particular morning trade, however, would have resulted in a loss. The next afternoon trade would have gone through successfully again. The morning one wouldn't have, but the following afternoon trade would have gone through. The morning session here would have likely been successful, or at least reached a break-even point, and this afternoon session would have definitely been successful as well. As you can see, with the USD CAD, it might be much better during a certain time or a specific time phase if you only trade in the afternoon and not during the morning hours. Let's say in the morning or in the early hours. You'll then also see how the currency pair is correlated and so on, but you'll learn all of that in the VIP community, including how to execute these trades and so on. The basic principle is this: you enter, you set an SL. There are also additional tools, so to speak, that come with it. As you can clearly see right here, we have, for example, the morning trader and the afternoon trader. And there are also specific retest levels that you are able to adjust for yourself. And of course, we also have our corresponding alerts for them: morning trader, buy and sell. You can also specify that in certain currency pairs you only want to trade in a long direction, while in other currency pairs you only want to trade in a short direction as well. It might be quite useful if you have a currency pair that is currently situated within an overarching higher level long trend range. This means that within a larger time frame it's trending long, and then, as previously mentioned, you set up an alert here so that you only receive notifications for long positions. Alternatively, you could have both options active, and then you would examine on the specific day how it has performed over the past few hours. Are we currently exhibiting bullish movement heading towards a long position? Then we will naturally only be taking long trades, or if we are moving in a short direction, then we will only take short trades, but you are going to learn all about that inside the VIP community. I don't really want to commit myself any further to that right now, but you can already see in principle that this thing works very well indeed. And yes, if you would like to know more about it, then the link is right there in the description of the free group for you. Come on in, reach out to us, ask your questions in the community, then contact our support team. And yes, I truly hope we'll hear from and see each other very soon in the community, or even better, in the VIP community. Make sure to really use the tool to its absolute fullest potential. So, I wish you all the best. Bye bye, your Manuel from the Master Trading Team.